Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create curled images for Canva stories through the use of Canva. So how do we create curled image for Instagram stories in Canva? So we will learn it how now. First of all, we go to create a template or create, then maybe since it's Instagram stories, we search Instagram posts. So it will be in a portrait mode manner. So for example, we have here an image of us. Let's say this is you, the skater. So we're gonna find some photo of a skater. So this one, then we should want to put it like it's in a frame with borders at the side. There we go. Afterwards, we can see that we have like an image like here. So we go to templates and elements, search for turning page. Upon searching a turning page, we can choose the best one for the image. So for example, we have this turning page. We can like move this or to the sides. It's like we are turning a page like smaller. We want it to be a bit bigger. So there we go. It will look like a turning page. But I think there are more turning pages here like this. So we press this, then background remover. It removes the background and we put it to the page where it's likely to be turned. So let's say it's this page. There we go. Then we just turn this in, put it here, then we're done. Then this one we could just put it here, here. So now we have a like a turning page here for Instagram stories. That's how I do it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.